Hi, Bruce here, your boomer consumer, and today we're looking at the RODE Videomic NTG. As a disclaimer, this microphone was provided at no cost by RODE. However, all opinions are my own, and no one has reviewed this video prior to posting. The RODE Videomic NTG is the latest addition to the RODE family of shotgun mics, designed for the run-and-gun videographer as well as podcasters and anyone who wants quality sound recording on the go or in the studio. It's entirely possible the VideoMic NTG is the only microphone you may ever need. The Rode NTG has the following features: natural, uncolored sound, highly directional supercardioid polar pattern, auto-sensing power on and off, infinite variable gain with the greatest output range on the market, bar none. Auto-sensing 3.5mm output switches between TRS, that's for your camera, and then TRRS, that's going to be for your mobile devices, tablets, phones, etc., anything with the 3.5mm input jack. The ability to record a safety channel. Battery life up to 30 hours. Takes about 2 hours to recharge. Don't worry about the battery life. There's a 10-year warranty on the battery once you register your mic with Rode. USB-C to A for charging and a direct connection to PC for recording. High frequency boost, digital switching for high pass, frequency boost, and a safety channel feature. The battery does recharge via USB, a Rycote shock mount with cable management, aerospace grade aluminum. So when you unbox the Rode Videomic NTG, the first thing you're going to do is remove the microphone. It's already attached to the Lycote shock mount, so that's much appreciated. Then you're going to remove the Rode Quick Start guide. Make sure you follow that for instructions on how to connect it to your camera. Make sure you charge it up as well. Then you're going to get a 3.5mm cable to connect to your camera or to a mobile device such as a phone or tablet that's got a 3.5mm input jack. And then finally, you're going to get a USB-C to Type A cable. Use that for charging, and also you can connect it to your PC or Mac and then use the microphone to record on those devices. After attaching the mic to your camera, you will attach the 3.5mm cable to the camera. You can use the cable management system to secure the cable. Now, once plugged into your camera, turn on the camera and the VideoMic NTG will power on. Next, you will want to set the camera's preamps to their lowest level. Then adjust the gain with the variable gain knob to get the desired recording level. The knob is the first control on the microphone. Next, the power button. You can turn the mic off and on by pressing the button for 3 seconds. Once on, with a simple press, will engage a 20 dB cut to the volume and the left LED will illuminate. Another press will engage the safety channel feature and the middle LED will light. Now this records 2 channels of audio, normal volume plus a negative 20 dB channel. A third press engages both. Another press turns off the 20 dB cut in the safety channel. The right LED flashes red to show clipping. And there is the filter button. Now the first press turns on the 75 Hz high pass filter. Another press turns on the 150 Hz filter. A third press disengages the 2 filters, and a long press will activate and turn on the high frequency boost. And that's to give your voice a little bit more clarity, especially when you have the foam windscreen on the microphone. So if you're wondering how the mic sounds, well, I've been recording the audio to this video the entire time with it. And I really appreciate the way the NTG works with my voice. I think it captures really great sound. Now let's do a test. I'm going to test this microphone at 1 meter from the front, the left, behind, and the right of the camera. It'll be adjusted to minus 12 dB on camera. This is the Rode Videomic NTG at 1 meter in the front of the microphone. This is the Rode Videomic NTG at 1 meter on the left of the microphone. This is the Rode Videomic NTG at 1 meter behind the microphone. This is the Rode Videomic NTG at 1 meter to the right of the microphone. The Rode Videomic NTG is perhaps Rode's best sounding and versatile mic that can be used for capturing really great audio with so many different devices. It's exceptionally well built and has a long-lasting battery. This microphone can save you some money by serving multiple roles, whether it's in the studio, in the field, using it as a run-and-gun microphone on mobile devices, or setting it up with your PC or Mac. for podcasting or chatting. At $249, this mic is a bargain. This is Bruce Naylor, your boomer consumer. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.